Sonance is changing the way iPads install into the wall. We believe that technology should be designed to disappear, and we believe that with our TRUFIG mounting technology, we have the most reliable and repeatable process for installing iPads and other technologies into the surface. TRUFIG takes iPad and installs it into a mounting platform. The iPad sits flush into drywall or solid surfaces such as wood or marble. The iPad touch panel is trimmed with a paintable fascia that can be precisely adjusted for a perfectly flush finish. TRUFIG iPad solutions are now more flexible to support the form factors and charging requirements of all iPad, including those with USB-C. So whether your project requires the iPad 10.2, Mini, or Pro, we can TRUFIG that. Add magic to your next project by designing technology to disappear with TRUFIG by Sonance.